Hello, everybody. This is King Tut here, and I am excited to do this series. And I call this series Electronics 101. So, in this intro, I'll introduce you the applications of electricity, some research topics, and what I will be doing in the series, what I'll be teaching you guys in the series. So, electronics are around us. There are landlines, there are power grids, and there are gadgets devices that we use on a daily basis, if not some. So, such as smartphones, car, watch, laptop, desktop computers, and digital camera. And all these devices make use of either a battery or a plug. Without any of these two, the electricity will not work. There's a lot of research that's going on related to the electronics field, such as nanotechnology, materials that pertains to electricity, because without the right materials, you won't have a good performance in the device that you want to make. You won't have good nanotechnology, which nanotechnology is being used for biological or electronic purpose, which some parts of electronics are used for biology or for human anatomy and making prosthetics. And also, without the right material, the circuit will not last long. You want to have a good material that lasts, that endures electricity for a good amount of time. The Internet of Things, where most devices, such as kitchen appliances, make use of the internet, and if anything goes wrong, the information gets sent to the company, to the IT. And quantum computing, which, just like every research topic, this one is one of the most hot topic that's being researched. China made quantum links, which I'm gonna post the article in the description. And it's about like a few kilometers of quantum links, and it makes use of quantum computing. So it's crazy that it's still being researched and being applied in real life. And more as the day goes on, quantum computer will take over a supercomputer. So these are the few research topics. There are more, and if you're interested, uh, go find someone that does research and do research with them. If you're in college, find a professor that uh, does research based off of your interest and and research with the professor. In this series, I'll teach you the basic electricity, its backstory, the the things that we use to control electricity, to describe electricity, such as Ohm's law, which I'll get into later in the tutorial. Tools that you use to measure electricity. So you guys have measuring tapes to measure distance. You guys have a speedometer to measure how fast you are when you're driving a car. And you have clock to measure time. So we have their tools that are being used to measure electricity. After that, I'll teach you the basic components, resistor, capacitor, inductor, and also put LED lights in the mix so that way we could see that if the circuit works or not. And then I will teach you guys different kinds of circuit, such as RF circuit, microelectronic circuits, audio circuit, circuits you could use to filter, optoelectronics, and audio electronics. So that's all for this intro, and I'm looking forward to making this series. If you're on YouTube, BitChute, or BitTube, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you're on Flare, please like my video and follow my channel. And if you're on library, please follow my channel and download my video. And I look forward to teaching you guys Electricity 101.